Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top custom home builders in San Francisco. Building a home is a significant investment, so choosing the right builder is crucial. We're breaking down the top contenders, highlighting what makes them unique and why they might be the perfect fit for you. If you're planning to build your dream home in the Bay Area, you won't want to miss this. First up, we have Builder A, known for their sleek, modern designs that seamlessly blend indoor and outdoor spaces. Think floor-to-ceiling windows, open floor plans, and a minimalist aesthetic that feels both luxurious and inviting. They're committed to sustainable building practices and incorporating energy-efficient features. From custom cabinetry to high-end appliances, every detail is executed to perfection. It's that next-level craftsmanship that sets them apart in the San Francisco custom home market. Next, we have Builder B, a company that prides itself on its collaborative approach to building. They work hand in hand with clients, from the initial design concept to the final walkthrough. Builder B uses the highest quality materials and craftsmanship, ensuring every detail is top-notch. This dedication results in homes that are beautiful and built to last. They provide detailed budgets, timelines, and progress reports, so you're always in the loop. Their clear and transparent communication sets them apart. Chapter 3, Builder C, Luxury Redefined. Builder C is synonymous with luxury home building in San Francisco, known for grand entrances and meticulous attention to detail. Imagine a home with a sweeping staircase, a chef's kitchen, and a master suite that feels like a five-star hotel. They skillfully integrate smart home technology, enhancing both beauty and functionality. Builder C creates one-of-a-kind homes by understanding and pushing the boundaries of their clients' unique needs. Their commitment to luxury and innovation makes them a top choice. Chapter 4, Builder D, Historical Preservation Specialists. Builder D specializes in restoring and renovating historic homes in San Francisco. They treat these properties with the utmost care and respect, preserving original features like moldings and stained glass. Builder D seamlessly blends modern amenities with historic charm. Imagine a state-of-the-art kitchen in a Victorian mansion. They use eco-friendly materials and incorporate energy-efficient features. Their commitment to sustainability ensures these homes can be enjoyed for generations. Chapter 5, Builder E, Customer-Focused from Day One. Builder E consistently receives rave reviews from their clients. They're dedicated to making the home building process smooth and enjoyable. Known for clear communication and responsiveness, they exceed expectations. Builder E focuses on building long-term relationships with their clients. They want to build you a home that you'll love for years to come. So, there you have it, our top 5 custom home builders in San Francisco. Whether you're drawn to modern design, a collaborative process, or historic preservation, there's a builder for you. Take your time, do your research, and choose a builder who understands your vision. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.